People, this breakfast is fit for a... Yes, people, we are clean up the flat jack them. Scrape them. Yeah, they have one scale. We're going to scrape them and gut them. Yeah, and we'll wash them with some vinegar. And knife kind of dull. I want a sharp knife. I want a good knife. And we're going to wash them with some vinegar. And season them up and let them marinate. So we are got the fish and take out the gut them from inside it. Alright, and clean it up. Alright, people, fish marinate. Fish marinate. See the oil hot? Why pot hot bad? We'll put in some fish and make them fry. After them brown, we cook them down in a coconut milk with some Irish and carrots. Then big, you know. One piece alone can hold in the frying pan. I'll fry a head first, one of the head. Look the one. One head bigger. One of the tail can hold in there with that. So I just the head alone. One head alone I fry because them big. Yeah, flat jack. We're going to brown them. After we brown them, cook them down with some vegetables and some coconut milk. We have a nice breakfast. We're going to have a nice breakfast. Alright. Breakfast fit for a queen. Alright. Flat jack. Yam. Soft yam. Yellow yam. Boiled dumpling. That is it. That is it, people. Alright, so we are going to brown the fish then. Go on the meeting. I guess this one can turn now. I can watch him some more. Alright. Now go and prep the seasoning. Yeah man, I go and fry. I go and fry the fish them and then we prep the season them at the same time. Yeah. But well hot. I turn on the stove. Hot man. Yeah, I cut up some scallion and thyme and stuff. Go and prep the carrot and the Irish. Yeah. Yeah man, the fish them are fry nicely. One of the head there. They fry nice. Nice frying fish them. Yeah. If you need fish to buy, you can buy the flat jack. Nice frying fish them. Yeah man. Alright people. Now I'm throwing the seasoning them. With my carrot and my Irish, tomato, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, everything in there. Alright. I'm gonna fry up the seasoning and everything and the vegetable and just tip some water. Alright. Yes, people. Don't make them burn, you know. Yeah, don't make them burn. Smells so nice. All the aroma coming out. Smells so nice. Alright. I've thrown some water in the pot. Yeah, adding some more. Yeah. Enough to cook the vegetables. Alright, the Irish and the carrot. And when that is cooked, I'm going to put a pack of coconut powder in it. Bring it to a boil. Look at that, people. Pack of coconut powder. Yeah, Grace coconut milk powder. Grace coconut powder. Yes, 1 pack of Grace coconut powder. And look at that. Lovely. I'm going to make him simmer down and thicken up. And then I'm going to place the fish in the... Alright. See it simmer down there? Put in my fish. The fish is big, so I'm going to have to fix them so that they can hold. So that all the fish can get some of this nice coconut milk juice in there. Alright, so I'm fixing the fish in the pot. You know, and cover it and let it simmer down. Yeah, man, you see that? You see them big? I fix them in a pot. Them can hardly hold and the pot is big. Yeah, man, I will cover them, make them simmer down. Alright. Make it suck up all of that coconut juice inside it. Suck up all the coconut milk and the flavors. Alright. Shut him down. See that, people? See that? We don't want all the gravy dry out, you know, because we need gravy to eat. Alright, this finish. And over here I have some soft yam. Yeah, man, soft yam. Hard yellow yam and soft yam. In the pot, dumpling. All the food boiling over there. Yeah, man. And soon breakfast time, you know. People. This breakfast. This is the delicious. Look at it. Look at this. A breakfast fit for a queen. Yum. When you eat this, you want to go back to sleep again. My. Irish nice. Taste the fish. Nice. People, if my face looks sweaty, the kitchen hot.
And the coconut milk.
Nice, trust me.
This is a healthy breakfast.
We'll cut some of the dumpling.
Try a piece of fish.
Put a nice piece of fish in my mouth. Wow. This is amazing.
Lovely.
People, see you in our next adventure. Wow, good.